Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Makita Xmt03z is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your workshop, offering unparalleled performance for a wide array of tasks from cutting and sanding to scraping and grinding, making it an essential companion for both professional contractors tackling demanding job sites and DIY enthusiasts embarking on home improvement projects, all while delivering the robust power and reliability Makita is renowned for in a compact, user-friendly design. Number 5. Makita Xmt03z 18V LXT Cordless Multi-Tool. This tool features a variable speed control dial, allowing you to precisely match its operation to any task. With speeds ranging from 6,000 to 20,000 OPM, it ensures optimal performance for every application. Its 3.2-degree oscillation angle is specifically engineered for efficiency. This design enables faster and more aggressive cutting and sanding, saving you time and effort. Operating it is simple and convenient, thanks to its large on-off slide switch. The integrated lock-on button further enhances user comfort during extended use. You'll appreciate its versatility, as it includes adapters for most competitive accessories. This ensures you can use your existing attachments, expanding its utility. Designed for comfort, it features a small diameter barrel grip, measuring only 2 to 3/8 inches. This ergonomic design ensures easy handling and reduced fatigue during prolonged tasks. This tool is fully compatible with Makita 18V Lithium-Ion batteries featuring a star symbol. Please note that the battery is sold separately, allowing you to use your existing Makita power sources. What we like. This multi-tool offers excellent variable speed control and a wide oscillation angle for aggressive cutting. If you need a versatile tool for various applications and appreciate comfortable handling, this is a great choice. Its design ensures ease of use even in tight spaces. What people say. This tool is a game-changer for cutting drywall. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for tight spaces. The variable speed control allows for precise cuts, and the toolless blade change system is a huge time saver. I've used this for various tasks, including cutting wood, metal, and even tile. It's incredibly versatile and has become my go-to tool for many projects. Number 4. Makita BL1850B 218V LXT Lithium-Ion 5.0 Ah battery, 2 pk. Introducing the essential power source for your demanding tasks. This twin pack ensures you always have a backup ready for continuous work. Stay informed about your power levels with its integrated LED indicator. You can easily monitor the battery charge, preventing unexpected interruptions. Experience significantly extended operation with this advanced battery. It provides up to 65% more runtime per charge compared to previous models, keeping you productive longer. Downtime is minimized thanks to its rapid charging capability. It reaches a full charge in just 45 minutes or less, getting you back to work swiftly. Designed for efficiency and reliability, these batteries are built to last. They ensure your tools perform at their best, project after project. What we like. These batteries provide significantly extended runtime, keeping your tools powered longer. They also reach a full charge in 45 minutes or less, minimizing downtime. If you're looking for reliable power and efficiency to maximize productivity, these are essential. What people say. Number 3. Makita Xmt04z 18V LXT Subcompact Brushless Cordless Multi-Tool. Introducing the Makita Xmt04z, a powerful cordless multi-tool designed for efficiency. Its brushless motor delivers variable speed for any task. Work longer with less fatigue thanks to our anti-vibration technology. It reduces vibration by up to 85%, providing a smoother operation. This tool is designed for ultimate versatility. It's compatible with StarLock Max, StarLock Plus, and StarLock accessories, giving you a wide range of options. Achieve faster and more aggressive cutting and sanding with its 3.6 degrees oscillation angle. It's engineered for performance. Enjoy operator convenience with a large on-off slide switch. A lock-on button is also included for continuous use. This tool offers the perfect blend of power and precision. Get the job done efficiently with its advanced features. What we like. This advanced multi-tool features a powerful brushless motor and anti-vibration technology for smooth, comfortable operation. It boasts broad compatibility with Starlock Max, Starlock Plus, and Starlock accessories. If you demand high performance, reduced fatigue, and versatile accessory options for professional tasks, this model stands out. What people say. The Makita Xmt03z is a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for extended use. The tool features a powerful motor that delivers excellent performance. Number 2. Makita Xt0288T18V LXT Brushless Cordless Combo Kit. This kit includes a versatile hammer driver drill. It features a 2-speed brushless motor, delivering impressive power and up to 1,250 inch-pounds of max torque. Despite its strength, it remains lightweight for comfortable use. You also get a robust impact driver with 4-speed power selection. This tool provides up to 1,590 inch-pounds of max torque, making it ideal for demanding tasks. It's incredibly light, ensuring less fatigue during extended operation. Both tools are powered by an efficient BL brushless motor. This advanced motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use. You'll experience up to 50% longer runtime per charge, keeping you working longer. The electronically controlled BL brushless motor doesn't just save power, it's smart. It efficiently uses energy to match torque and RPM precisely to the changing demands of your application. This ensures optimal performance for every task. These tools are engineered with Extreme Protection Technology, or XPT. This feature provides improved dust and water resistance. It allows them to operate reliably even in the harshest job site conditions. What we like. This combo kit includes tools with efficient brushless motors and impressive torque for tough jobs. They are engineered with Extreme Protection Technology for improved dust and water resistance. If you are tackling demanding projects in harsh conditions and need durable, powerful tools, this kit is built for you. What people say. The Makita Xmt03z is a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks, from cutting drywall to sanding wood. It features a powerful motor that delivers excellent performance, making it ideal for both DIYers and professionals. The tool's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during extended use. Number 1. Makita Xt0706 7-piece Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the Makita Xt0706, a 7-piece cordless combo kit designed for ultimate performance. This kit offers a range of tools to tackle any job with ease. The hammer drill boasts a variable 2-speed design, delivering up to 480 inch-pounds of max torque. It's lightweight, weighing only 3.9 pounds with a battery, for comfortable handling. Experience efficient fastening with the variable speed impact driver. It provides 1,460 inch-pounds of max torque, making quick work of various applications. The 6-to-1 2-inch circular saw delivers 3,700 revolutions per minute for fast cutting and ripping through wood. It's also surprisingly light at just 7.3 pounds with a battery. This Recipro saw offers 2,800 SPM and features a convenient toolless blade change system. It weighs only 8.3 pounds with a battery, ensuring ease of use. The 4-to-1 2-inch 5-inch cutoff angle grinder operates at 8,500 revolutions per minute. Its automatic speed change technology optimizes performance by adjusting speed and torque as needed. What we like. This comprehensive 7-piece kit provides a wide array of essential tools for almost any project. It includes a hammer drill, impact driver, circular saw, and more, offering incredible versatility. If you're starting your tool collection or need a robust set to cover many different tasks, this kit offers exceptional value. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.